Quick and easy guide to cutting cursive text with your cricut. Select your cursive font and type. The top option shows each letter individually. They will all be cut separately. The bottom will be welded, which means it will be cut all together as one item. Once typed, click Weld on the bottom right-hand side. You can see a part of the is filled. To fix this, ungroup the letters and slightly move the affect letters apart from the other but still have them touching. Select all and weld, and now it's ready to cut all joined as one item. There are other ways to successfully weld, but I find this the easiest.